everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all a-okay today. I am restarting my decluttering series because I have got a lot of makeup, as you guys can probably tell from the title, and I just need to kind of go through it, reorganize it, rejig it, fall in love with things again, say goodbye to things as well, finally call it a day with some items. This has been a long time coming. I've been putting it off for the longest of times, but it's officially time. I'm also including my clothing in this series as well, and what I will do is link the whole playlist for my declutters in this series and previous series that I've done as well, because I obsess watching these. They are my favorite things to watch, especially in the bath. I don't know what it is. I love going in the bath and watching a decluttering series. It just brings me a lot of joy. So I will leave everything in a playlist linked down below. And yeah, let's begin decluttering my makeup and clothing. Okay guys, so this is my colourful palette drawer. If you guys didn't know, I have two. One on the top is my neutral. A part of me would love to condense this down to one drawer, but I also feel like if it was all in one drawer, would I really go through it? Like properly, like experiment? Because it might just be too many palettes in one drawer. But either or, I need to condense this down because one, I just never ever actually ever go in here, and two, obviously there are just palettes that I don't use, and as always can be better off with someone else. So I do have a few things in the back that are just backups. You guys know this is my favourite powder. If you watch any of my tutorials, you know that I love this thing. But yeah, I'm just going to take absolutely everything out and then go through it again. The same with my neutrals. I'm not going to touch my singles for now. I'm going to do that as a whole separate video because I am probably going to get rid of the majority of them, but that's just going to be a separate video in themselves. So I'm just going to take everything out. So I am just going to feed these back in because I like my backups being in this drawer because there is just a little bit more space in this drawer. I'm actually going to keep one out because I've just run out of one, so they fit there. And then the other two backups I'm going to put in a different drawer because I've actually got another drawer of backups as well. I know, as we feed through my collection and declutter them, you'll start to see that I am a hoarder. I know I'm a hoarder, okay? I know. And I'm also just going to feed back in, that is so annoying, Rosie. I'm going to feed back in my empty palettes, my Z palettes and all that. Oh my god, one of my subscribers, Kirsty, got me this. I love it so much and I treasure it, but since I put my collection in here, I just haven't even gone out with it, but I need to actually I'm gonna leave it out because I need to put it on show. Oh my god. Honestly, everything is just like a dumping ground for me. It's so bad. Right, so I've got two Morphe palettes. I've got the 35C and the 35B. So this is the C. I love the orange, but I feel like that's the only colour I'd probably use in this palette, so I'm gonna depart with him. And then I'm not probably ever gonna use these, am I? That's not even in the right place. This is like old school Morphe. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna depart with him as well, and I'm pretty sure I have other colourful palettes, I hope, that I will keep. I have the Kat Von D Vida Loca. I'm going to depart with this. If you guys have watched any of my collections or any of my declutters, I always keep this, and I still, to this day, have not used it, so I think it's finally time I say goodbye. We're doing so well. We've basically kept nothing so far because we're doing these a different day, and they're all backups. So great stuff, guys. I should declutter at night time more. This is the Too Faced Nikki collab. To be honest with you, I kept it because it is Nikki. I don't use it, and I didn't enjoy the way that they treated her with this collab. So I am just going to part ways with it. I just think there's no point in me keeping it. But amazing congratulations to Nikki Tutorials, and with her new video that came out as well. I have so much love and respect for her, but again, I don't use this, and the way that they treated her wasn't amazing. So I'm going to part ways with that. I have the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil. I actually really like this palette, and I use it often when I want a colourful look, so we're going to keep him. I have the Be Perfect Carnival palette. Look at that. Has it been used, guys? No. Has it even been swatched? No. I actually do want to use this, so I'm just going to pop him right there so that when I open this, he'll be by himself flat out so that I can see, because in the drawer above I've got a little section right here, and I have 4 palettes that I haven't used that I need to. So yeah, it's kind of going to be like the way that I look at it will be use it, Sophie, use it. Then I have the Manny MUA Life's a Drag palette. I used it once and I really did not like it, but I only used the neutrals. I may try one more time with the colourful side. If I don't like it, I will get rid of it though, because I did not enjoy the neutral side. I have the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. Though I know there are so much controversy with this person, and I completely get it, I do really like the palette, so I'm just gonna use it. I'm just gonna keep it. Not necessarily use it on my channel. I know, like I said, I know there's so much controversy with him, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep it. Please don't be mean to me, but it's gonna stay, okay guys? It's gonna stay. I have 3 of these little ones from MAC. I got gifted all of them when I worked there. The Smarty Pants looks like this. I'm gonna get rid of it. This is only because I just won't use them. I know I won't in myself. The Risk Taker palette, which looks like that. Again, I definitely won't use that one. I'll probably use the Smarty Pants more than that one. I wonder if I can back to MAC these. Can you? Can you back to MAC them? To be fair, I'll probably just get rid of them. And then the Classic Cutie, which is a bit nicer. That one's quite a nice colour. I may keep this one just to see if I use it, but sure, I might keep, oh, I don't know. Oh, no, just depart. Okay, I'm gonna keep the Classic Cute. I just think it looks really pretty. I think the colourful palettes just look way prettier than like my neutral palettes. Don't you? No? Okay, that's fine. I have this Tarte palette, which I've sworn I'm never gonna ever get rid of. I never use it either, but this packaging, it's just so pretty. So he's just gonna stay. Just ignore him there, sitting. I have the Jouer palette, which I always keep, and I never ever use. I'm not really sure why I always keep it, to be honest with you. He's smashed, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. Oh, and again, when I say get rid of, I don't mean like bin. Some things, if they're just like absolutely gone completely, I will bin. Otherwise, I will sell them or give them to friends. I have the Urban Decay Electric palette. I'm gonna keep this solely because it's such an OG, and it's such a very important palette to me, even though I've barely used it. I wanted this palette for so long, and it meant so much to me when I finally got it, so I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna put him back there because I purely just keep him for the packaging as opposed to purposes. I have the Dose of Colours Ice Cream palette. I really like this palette, so I'm gonna keep that. Do you see what I mean about how the colourful palettes look? They just look more aesthetically pleasing. I have the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Meadow palette. I mean, if you guys have watched my videos, you know that this is staying. The blue is just, it's next to none, okay? And I'm keeping it. That's that. He's basically just come back home. Like, that's just, he lives here forever. I have the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette. I'm gonna part with this. Not really a reason why, I just am. I have the Juvia's The Zulu palette. Gonna keep this. I mean, why wouldn't you? Look at it. Oh my god, I completely forgot I had this. Have I even used this in a tutorial? This is the BH Cosmetics Shannexo The Remix palette. I'm going to keep that. I do want to get the Heaps of Sweets palette of hers, like her actual own palette, but I just haven't had the chance to. I haven't really makeup shopped in a very long time. So yeah, but we're going to keep that one. That's really nice. I have the Urban Decay full, oh, urban spectrum. I'm going to keep this. My friend Sarah gifted me that and it was so kind of her, so thank you so much, Sarah. Something like that. Yeah, can he get... God's sake, Tarte. It's so annoying that it's so nice and I just won't get rid of it. This is like a Morphe mini colourful palette. I'm only going to keep this because this is just super handy to have. Like, it's got pretty much any colour I may need, just in case there's a time that I might need it. This is the NYX, look how battered these palettes are, I'm so sorry. These is the NYX Ultimate with Brights. I'm going to keep that. Again, such a good handy palette to have. Oh, look at you, beautiful. I know, I'll get you another one to go in there. I have two Sigma palettes, both of which I always say I'm going to use. Do I ever? Nope, get rid of them, done. The NYX Fire palette, I'm going to depart with. I've got more NYX palettes that I prefer to that than that one, so yeah. This is the Tarteist Pro, Tartlet Pro? No, Tarteist Pro, which looks like that. I just remember when Tarte was like all the range and I died for this. I'm just going to keep it just for a little while, just to see how I feel. I may stand these up and then put these like super duper pretty ones like laying down. Ooh, and then, oh, sir. Yes. And then there's just one more palette, which is this massive Tarte one, which I'm going to be dead honest with you guys, I keep for this. Well, mainly that. What I'm going to do is put it with the Z palettes and see if I can depot it and put it in a single Z palette and then go from there. But that is all the colourful palettes I'm keeping. I think once I crack this bad boy open and I start playing with him, I might get rid of a couple others. But this is it. This is the end. That was quite a quick declutter, really, wasn't it? But I didn't have too many colourful palettes. And yeah, I can definitely fit those back in the top one as well. But we'll just see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick declutter. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up so I know that you still like them. This is what it looks like now. So I've got like all the nice palettes out, all of my singles, which like I said I'm going to go through in a different video. And then these, that's my cleaning stuff again. This is everything that I've got rid of. So yeah. And then like I said, this is just the other drawer that we decluttered, and those are all the palettes that I need to try. I know I've been quite naughty. And then there's some singles down there that I need to go through as well. These are singles. But I might be able to make this one drawer soon. Who knows?